Okay, hello students. So today we will continue our lesson about the chapter 5 weather section 1 what is the weather. Okay, before we continue our lesson, I want to review some lesson that you studied last week, and I want to know how many percentage that you remember and understand about the lesson that you studied last week. Okay, so what is a jet stream? Jet stream is a narrow belt of strong wind blown near the top of troposphere. The next one, what are the difference between sea breeze and land breeze? Sea breeze is produced from the sea to the land. It occurs during the day and it has a moisture. For the land breeze, it is produced from the land to the sea. It occurs at night and driving. Okay, so now we continue our lesson. So after you study this lesson, you will be able to define the weather, humidity, dew point, and relative humidity. Second one, an awareness of instrument used to measure wind direction and speed. And the last one is explain why the warmer air can have more water vapor than the cooler air. Okay, point 1, weather factors. What is the weather? Weather refers to the state of the atmosphere at a specific time and place. Weather describes the conditions such as air pressure, wind, temperature, and amount of the moisture in the air. Point 1, air temperature. What air is made up of? Air is made up of molecules that are always moving randomly even when there are no wind. Temperature is a measure of what? Temperature is a measure of average amount of the motion of the molecule. Point 2, wind. What is wind? Wind is air moving in a specific direction that we call wind. What the instrument is used to measure wind direction and speed? Wind direction can be measured using a wind vane. Okay, so this is a wind vane that used to measure our wind direction. For the wind speed can be measured using an anemometer. Okay, so this is an anemometer that used to measure about the wind speed. Point 3, humidity. What is humidity? Humidity is the amount of the water vapor that present in the air. Why the warmer air can have more water vapor than the cooler air? Because the water vapor does not easily condense in warm air. Water vapor molecules in the warm air move rapidly. The molecules can't easily come together and condense. For the cool air, water molecules in air move closely together. Some of them collect, allowing condensation to take place. Okay, so this picture is show you about the water vapor molecules. Okay, so for this picture it show you about the cool air and hot air. So for the cool air, it move slowly and it move closely together. When the molecule of the cool air is collect together, it can be form a condensation. but for the hot air is move rapidly. That the molecule out the air is far away from each other that cannot collect to form a condensation. Okay, point 3.1 relative humidities. So what is relative humidity? Relative humidity is a measure of the amount of the water vapor present in the air compared to the amount the need for the saturation at a specific temperature. Okay, point 2, dew point. What is a dew point? Dew point is a temperature at which air is saturated and condensation form. Okay, so for more information and to be clearly about this lesson, I will attach the video under this PowerPoint video, and I hope you understand, and thank you. See you next time.